Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to create a Discord account. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, let's open up Discord on the browser. So all you have to do is to go and search Discord in the search bar. So once you have searched Discord on the search bar, the Discord website will show up on the top, which says www.discord.com. Just click on it. You can either download it or you can simply use it on your web browser. So here are two options. It says download or open Discord on your web browser. So click on open Discord on web browser. So once you do it, it will show you like this. So all you have to do is to go and click on register button over here. So put your email inside it. So your display name, that could be anything. Your name, the password, your birthday. And all you have to do afterward is to continue it. After that, all you have to do is to verify your identity if you are a human or a robot. So after doing it, the account will be open. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can open your Discord account. I hope you find this video helpful.